Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel today with Frugal Mama Anna. Today I'll be doing a DIY video, painting the mirror, and want to hang my teacup, coffee cup, whatever you want to call them, and redoing it and just decorating it, making it shabby chic style. Paint this. Now I'm going to paint this mirror here with some chalk white spray paint. Okay y'all, I painted this mirror. This is how it looks right now, but I got paint on the mirror. I'm trying to get it out. And I got some fabric. I want to make a banner and put it on there. And this other fabric. This is pretty fabric. It got the Eiffel Tower here. And I got some jewelry piece beads here. I want to put on this one. Beads here. Pretty one. I got these from penny shopping, y'all. These banners from Happy Valentine's Day. And I'm going to glue the fabric on here to put it on my mirror to make a banner. Yeah, that's what I'll be doing. And use some spray adhesive. Okay, y'all, this is the mirror now. I glue the fabric on the banner. And I glue the string on here, on the mirror. Cut it out and trimmed it and glued it on the string. Hot glue it and I cut the bottom part. And this is how it looks at the end. Now I gotta get it on the wall. Put my coffee cups in here for the coffee bar. It's cute. Afterward, everything's set up. Awesome. So I hope you liked this video today, y'all. And if you're watching it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like to support my channel. And my DIY coffee, whatever they want to call it, for hang my teacup. And thanks for watching, y'all.